This is what the city of Cape Town is thinking of our people. Raw sewage running here for 2 weeks in Khayelitsha, and this is how the city and residents must access um, their roads and how they must access their houses. As you can see, people do their own surfacing here, their own walkways, and this has been on now for the last 15 days since um 2 weeks ago on the 29th of November. And this is how people must access the road, access the properties. As you can see, it's both um, formal and informal houses. Um, and this is what the DA City of Cape Town administration is thinking of our people. For 2 weeks, this thing has been running here. How unbearable, how inhumane the city is treating our people in the city of Cape Town. And this is the well-run, caring city, world-class city. I thank you.